How to turn on Gmail notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Gmail notifications are alerts that pop up on your device to inform you of new emails in your Gmail account. Over here, scroll down through the menu and select Notifications. Again, scroll down to find Gmail from the menu. Tap on it and turn on Allow Notifications to grant permission to Gmail to send you alerts. You can also turn on the sounds to get notified when you receive an email. Now, your device will play a short audio alert whenever you receive a new email. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on email notifications on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.